So today I'm going to show you how to take a boring laptop like this Blade 16 here as a magnet to fingerprints, something like a MacBook or something like that. I'm going to show you how to wrap it and make it look badass. Something a bit like this. Little bad boy now that it looks like. I'll show you how to do this. Stay tuned. If you're not sure I am, I'm Bearded Bob, been gaming 35 years plus, as you can see by my age. I'm known as Grandpa Gaming, play a lot of Valorant and Tarkov at the minute, and I'm into modding gaming peripherals, especially mice at the minute. So if you like that kind of stuff, stick around. So let's get into how this process works. Okay, so we've got the DBrand skin, we've got the laptop, we've got some clean wipes, which we're gonna have to use. I'm gonna give it a quick clean to get any grease off. See all the fingerprints on it already. This has literally been out of the box a day. So this DBrand skin is gonna cover it nicely. So let's put it on and then let's see what it looks like. So I'm just going to do the top first because I don't want to put any more fingerprints on it, and then we'll flip it over and do the underneath as well. Got the DigiBlue camo, this thing looks sick. I've also got the cut out version so we can have the Razer logo coming through. Here's the bottom one, gives you some install instructions. You get a little cloth. So the base as well. DBrand for me are just the best skins. You can use them on mobile phones, all kinds of stuff. I had my last one lasted me 4 years. Your DBrand skin, make sure you know exactly which way around it's going to go. So I peel it a little bit, but then I try and get the edges on perfectly. Makes it a little bit trickier to line up. Just make sure there's no bubbles. Careful that bit. Yeah, boy, that looks cool, man. You can see I've just got a slight edge in it. I'll show you a little bit closer and I can pick it up. You can see it's just not quite on the edge because that's the way they want you to do it. Just gotta make sure you get that adjustment right at the start. I think it looks pretty badass. Now we've got to do the underneath. Same thing, well, alcohol. Clean it first. I use these ones off Amazon. They're basically camera lens wipes or glasses. My missus rinses them all the time for her glasses. Pretty cheap, get them a good deal for about £7 for like 100, but you can definitely buy smaller packs. But they're just good anyway. Cleaning stuff like monitors, things like that, alcohol based, so they don't leave any fingerprints or residue. Same idea, you got to make sure the vents line up for this one. You've also got the screw holes, which I'll use to do the alignment on this one. I think that's it. I'm just going to check. Running it over these vents and feet. Looks pretty good to me. These corners are a little bit tricky. If you ever wrapped objects, like I've wrapped some mice and stuff, they can get a little bit creased. Right, we can use a little bit of heat on this just to get these corners right. I have a heat gun. You don't necessarily have to do that, but if you want to get your corners perfectly flat, this is probably one of the best ways to do it. Definitely feel a few little creases over that side. The end of the row, the corners are not the nicest, I wouldn't say. A little bit tricky to do because when you try and stretch it, as you try on this front one, it is difficult to pull it around. So I think I'm just gonna have to live with that for now. It might annoy me, I might take it back off. You reckon you're gonna wrap yours? Or wrap your laptop? It's not just Razer. You can do whatever you want on any laptop. Looks nice on the top.